Hello and welcome back to Jenny Thermal Crazy Kitchen. Look what has arrived this morning, my brand new glider board, and I want you to witness together with me the unpacking of it and see if that's actually gonna work. First impression when you hold it, the package in your hand, it is actually quite heavy. So I'm going to do some fun and just weigh and see how much the board, including the box, weighs. And I'll put it up here. Wow, this is 2.6 kilos, so that's quite heavy. And obviously the aim is for the board to be very stable so it doesn't move around, and the additional weight of the board will definitely help with that. All right, drum roll please, here we go. Taking it out of the very environmentally friendly packaging, I must say, so I really love that the Mix Shop has done that. Oh, and here we go. So what do we see? We see 3 imprints here, or dents. That's where our 3 feet from the scales are gonna sit. And we can also see that's the background, that we do have 4 black suction points, or these are rubber points where the board will gonna sit. And here in the back, these are the white ones. They are pretty smooth. That's where the gliding is gonna happen. All right, I can also see here is a dent, yeah, like that, where the fingers can go in. And all right, let's give it a go. That, by the way, is suitable for TM5 and TM6 machines alike. And let me just get out of the scales here. All right, so I'm gonna aim now with my 3 feet to place them inside the holes. Oh, yeah, just like so. And let's have a look. All right, so we can start gliding. So, okay, first impression, that board is really, it's stable. I can't move it, all right? So let me see, okay, my whole weight, I can move it a tiny little bit. So that's really quite impressive. It's not only the weight, but it's also the 4 feet that have designed that. All right, so now the idea is to lift it up and move it on the gliders. All right, that's gonna move. That's really working. I can see that. So let me show you from the side. So whilst lifting it up, it actually glides on the white feet there. And if I, again, put it down, I can't. For the life of me, I can't move it. So that's going to become very handy moving my Thermomix around in the future. And I must say, I'm very impressed so far. So let's have a look what it says on the packaging here. First of all, I notice it's not dishwashing safe. With dishwasher safe, that's fine. I haven't planned on putting it in the dishwasher anyway, so that can just be wiped with a damp cloth. Also, it's recommended that you do not use it as a chopping board, so purely as a glider board. That's its purpose. And also, we get a warning here, hazard, that that you should never leave your Thermomix unattended, especially when you're using the kneading function. Like we always said in the past, when you're kneading, your Thermomix needs you, all right? Don't walk away. So never leave the Thermomix unattended while it's running. Obviously, that is a safety warning here for us. But again, I'm very impressed about that the board is really, seems to be very stable and not movable unless you lift it up. Okay, so you will find that new glider board to be available in our Mix Shop, meaning you can order it. It comes in 3 different colors. The white one here, just blending in. It's going to be available also in like a brownish beechwood color and a black beechwood as well. So depending if you got a black Thermomix, if you were lucky enough to grab one of those, then maybe the black one would be of interest for you. White glider board is also part of our host reward program. So would you like to get one of those for $50 or for eventually for free, then have a chat with me and we can organize a cooking experience either at my place or at your place, and we can get your hands on one of these glider boards for an absolute smashing price. But if you don't want to host and you just want to pre-order your glider board, then head over to the mix shop. I'm going to pop a link here below, and then just do me the favor and let them know who inspired you to order that glider board, and put my name down. It's a small token for you to say thank you, Jenny, for doing what you're doing, and I get a little bit of that as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you fall in love with your glider board same way that I did just now.